Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we're going to do a very simple beer can chicken recipe. You know that Memorial weekend is coming up, so if you're looking for something very simple that doesn't take a whole lot of effort to make but is very delicious, this is the one for you guys. Check it out. How simple is this? You just use your favorite barbecue seasoning. You're gonna use your favorite beer, and then you're gonna spritz it with some butter while you're cooking it. Very, very simple, guys. Takes no time at all. So as you can see, I've already rinsed this chicken and had it dry. If you do not have one of these little brackets, I suggest you get one. It's so you can put the beer in there. Okay, so let me get this chicken seasoned up, and then I'll show you what I do. Alright guys, so all I have is beer in a bottle. I don't have beer in a can. So I emptied out a Coke can, and I just got my scissors, my kitchen shears. Did that, and then very carefully just push it down. So don't be careful not to cut yourself. Just tap it down a little bit. Very carefully. Okay, then you pour the beer inside. Now you're only going to do half. Oops. A little bit of your seasoning. Don't mind the background noise. Put it in the bracket. You grab the chicken. You're gonna put the bracket in here. I'm sorry if you can't see this, guys. It's kind of hard. It's a little bit difficult to handle, but just do this. There you go. How easy was that? There you go, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna add a little bit more seasoning, cover all this up, and take it out to the pit. Okay, so we're gonna add more seasoning because obviously when you handle the chicken, you're going to remove some of it with your hands. There's really no way around it. I'm gonna tilt it a little bit.
Why do you fill the can halfway with
the beer can?
Yeah.
Well, to leave room for, so it can evaporate. Because you fill it all the way to the top, it's just gonna blow over. But if you leave some room in there, some volume, then it's going to build a little bit of pressure because you have heat coming from the bottom, and it's gonna go into the chicken. Good question. And there it is, nice and pretty. So we're gonna do 2 chickens today. I thought I had 2 of those chicken holders, but obviously not. So the other one's just gonna be taking a nap next to this one, so doesn't matter. Let's go outside. Today we're cooking on my Pit Boss pellet grill. We have the setting set at 300 degrees. So just grab it like this. Be careful, guys, because it is a hot grill. And I'm just gonna put it right here. I had to remove the top grate to make sure it would fit, but as you can see, it fits the bill. I'm just gonna put the other chicken right next to it. Won't bother it. So we're gonna shut the lid, and we're gonna check the chicken in about 45 minutes, see how it's doing. We'll be back. Okay guys, so 45 minutes into the cook, as you can see, it's getting a nice color, but it's nowhere near done, guys. So I'm gonna spritz it with a little bit of my spray butter, and we're gonna shut the lid and check it in another 30 to 40 minutes. We'll be back. right, so an hour and 30 minutes exactly at 300 degrees, and look at that, guys. Look at that. We're looking for anywhere to 165 to 175, and we got it, 167. Check it. Try not to hit the bone. 170 at the thigh. So I'm gonna let it go to 170, guys. That's what I like, and then and we'll take it off the pit. So we'll be back in a few more minutes. So we let it go for an additional 15 minutes at 300 degrees, guys. I was looking from 165 to 175, and we still have 165 in the breast, 169 in the thighs. 15 more minutes and we'll be back. Okay, guys, so we brought it inside. We let it rest for about 10 minutes. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. So we decided to put it on the cutting board, guys. It's a lot easier to carve, and look at that. Plenty of moisture. That looks very, very good. Let's give this bad boy a try. Look at all that moisture, man.
Oh, wow.
Let's give it a try. Oh wow, very, very tasty, guys. Very juicy. Guys, just to recap a little bit, we cooked this bird for 2 hours at 300 degrees. You saw the ingredients that I used. Very, very simple, guys. If this is something you want to give a try to, please go ahead and do so. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you, guys, and God bless.